Okay, after more thought and examination, the one spot that I was picking was a hole. You could see that there was a nail hole there. I don't know if the nail popped out. I don't know what happened, but there was a nail hole right there, and that could have explained the small leak I was seeing. So I cleaned up, looked for any other suspicious spots. Really didn't find any that it showed a leak, but they didn't look great, so I ended up Gacoing these spots, and I have other things to tackle. So we're gonna see what happens when it rains. And for now, that's gonna have to do. I still would like to do something there with aluminum, but it's not an easy situation. But I will give it more thought. But right now, I'm gonna go focus on some other stuff. We're gonna try to do another valley, and we want it to turn out like this one. So that's what we're gonna focus on. Next video I'll do, I'll show you the valley, and it looks nothing like this, but it's going to take a lot of work, and in the end I want it to be nice like this one. Okay, let's pick up on this job, and we're going to go look at the other one.